Kids, welcome back to my new video. I am Samina. Today we paint the big eyes animals. First we paint the unicorn and other pictures. Kids, please full watch this video. Please subscribe my channel. Pink color. Purple color. Yellow color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Light blue color. Our unicorn is ready. Now we paint the deer. Pink color. So cute. Light green color. I like the animals. Which is your favorite animals? Yellow color.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O.
Orange color.
Here and a there, here a there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Light blue color.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a
Deer looks very cute with beautiful colors. Our deer is ready.
and so
Now we paint the owl.
it out
Red color.
Turned it out, and so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Yellow color.
Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children.
Orange color.
Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Green color. Our owl is ready. Now we paint the penguin. Red color. Yellow color. Blue color. Light green color. Light blue color. Pink color. Wow, kids, our beautifully big eyes animals are ready. Please subscribe my channel. I hope you will like this video very much. See you next video. Bye bye.